Hi everybody. We have opened a kiddo slime kit. It's called Kiddo Land, and I am going to mix these balls in it.
What color of slime did you pick?
I picked, it looks like teal blue, I think.
Yeah? And then she decided to put some of the little
Blue beads in it.
beads in, and they come in all different colors.
So that's going to be cool.
Yeah.
And then I'm putting these little peppermints in. I need to get those in my hand. They're teeny tiny.
They are. They're going to look really neat in the slime.
Yep, I need that ball. Okay, the ball fell on the floor. And then we're going to mix it. And then you can see, and then we're going to hide one little toy inside. So what should we hide? A fishy.
Let me see the fish. Ooh, he's super cute.
Yeah, and it looks like water, so it could be great in water.
All
and there we
right.
go.
Perfect.